Hi, Mystery Baker here. It's very late at night. The children are in bed. And I'm all alone. I'm recovering from a cold, but I'm all alone. And I'm making a wedding cake, and I'm using a Christmas cake recipe for one of the tiers. So I'm going to be baking it tomorrow. So what I do is the night before, I put all the fruit and the orange peel and the cherries, the currants and the sultanas in a bowl, and I glug lots of brandy. Oh no, not too much. I'm not an alcoholic. Well, it's not for me anyway, but hey, lots of brandy, and I let them soak overnight so that in the morning they're all plump and succulent and full of the fermented really, and they taste delicious inside the cake. Link below will be the Christmas cake recipe, which is ideal for any kind of celebration, not just Christmas. I'm going to be making the wedding cake for next week, but I'm making obviously this in advance because it can actually last for months. So, you know, follow me, hit subscribe, like, whatever you want. No pressure, but I know where you live. Yeah, hit like, subscribe, and as I say, the link below for the Christmas cake recipe. It's had a lot of views, actually, more than I would ever have expected. I'll be making some swags for the cake. I've started on some roses. Hold on one second, I'm just thinking ahead. Hold on. Oops, don't break anything, Lisa, please. I've started on some ivory roses. It's not really showing up in the light very well, but they're drying there. There's more to be made, but as I say, the cake's coming along. Thanks for watching. There will be a tutorial on how to make the swags that go around the cake. I've never made swags before, so this is going to be a challenge. I'm tired now. I think I might be joining the kids and heading up to bed now. Thanks for your time. Bye.